design for the Button Farm Club, and I am super excited to be here to introduce you to my March 2022 card kit. This is my subscription kit that goes out quarterly from Button Farm Club, and this quarter we are working with Simple Stories, absolutely gorgeous, simple vintage indigo garden. This is just an amazing collection, and I'm so excited to be working with it. The colors are just phenomenal, and the images are just beyond description. So if you love vintage, you love deep floral shades and pretty papers, you're going to be swooning over this month's kit. And I have some really fun things planned for it too. We're going to have a good time. So you're going to receive in your kit the 12 by 12 collection pack, which is 80 pieces, including 12 by 12 sheets of the designer paper. And we're just looking through those now. Absolutely gorgeous. So perfect for Mother's Day cards, birthday cards, get well cards. We've got the journaling sheet. I love using these bits and bobs in folios and creations. 4x4s, 3x4s, and 4x6s. What a phenomenal collection, and so much beautiful gingham. And this comes with the cardstock sticker sheet. These make the most beautiful little accents in our papers. In addition to that, you're going to get the 12 by 12 basics kit, which is 6 sheets of color matched cardstock, so that we can make perfectly matching mats, mechanisms, all the things. So this is a great addition to these kits. I love having these to use. So that is the paper, and then because you have to have jewelry with a beautiful dress, we've got the ephemera pack, the bits and pieces, that has all of these wonderful little titles, images, butterflies. The way we use these really makes the cards and the folios come alive. So I'm excited about having this in the kit, and there are so many in this package. It's 56 pieces. So we'll put these all to really good use. In addition to that, we're going to get the frames, and these make the most beautiful shaker cards. So I have some really fun ideas for these, and I think we're going to have a good time, and we're going to make some really unique cards. You don't always think of using frames with a card, but it is perfect for this kit. So that's all the pieces of the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. Then, because you can't make cards without a really good cardstock base, we have a big pile of this 110-pound natural cardstock. We're going to get 5 sheets of the 6 by 12, and we're going to get 4 sheets of the 12 by 12. This cardstock cuts and scores beautifully and makes really sturdy card and folio bases. Then we're going to get 3 yards of this navy and white baker's twine, 3 yards of this beautiful raw silk seam binding. We're going to get a package of mixed sizes of these gorgeous shell buttons, and then these fun pink wooden buttons. Then we've got these beautiful little silver tone charms. We've got a bird on a branch, a butterfly, and a flower. We'll be dressing things up with that. And then I always love to make a shaker card. So we've got these beautiful navy window envelopes and these pretty little sprinklets with all these wonderful flowers in them. So that is the kit. You can get it at the Button Farm Club. It is subscribers get their kits first. If you haven't subscribed to the kit, you can go ahead and do that now. Subscribers get their kits automatically. You don't have to order. If you're not a subscriber, you do need to place your order, and I would do it quickly because these card kits sell out pretty fast. People really seem to be enjoying them. So I'm going to be back in a minute to show you samples of all the beautiful cards that we're going to be making. Don't go away. Okay, friends, here it is, the big reveal. I love the way this kit turned out. In designing it, I had a couple of things in mind: graduation, Mother's Day, and weddings. So just keep that in mind. We've made quite a few folios, card folios this time, and we started out with this really fun 6x6 shaker folio with 4 separate windows. I love this. So it's got a little baker's twine closure, and then it opens out like this. This is actually a little book, and it is so cool. The first page has this pocket with a little photo mat, lots of room for storing photos here. Then a little flip page with a journaling spot, room for another photo. Then there is a side pocket photo mat in there. And then it turns again, and here we've got a little waterfall page with room for a nice big photo behind that. And then a little pocket and journaling tag and another little journaling tag. So this is just so sweet. This would be a beautiful thing to send to mom or grandma for Mother's Day, with lots of lovely pictures and memories tucked in there. And it's such a fun design. Once you learn how to make these, you're going to want to make a ton of them because they're so neat. So that's the first thing we make. Then, because we had our shaker things out, I decided we would go ahead and make another shaker card. This one is a shaker easel card. How fun is that? Perfect for Mother's Day, even for a teacher thank you at the end of the year. This is a 7x5. We've got a little shaker envelope here. On the inside, it's all decorated up. There's room with a pocket for a photo or a gift card and a little note card in there. So that's the second one that we make. Then, believe it or not, we had enough shakers to make one more shaker card. And this time we've used the double frame, and we've put the little bird image on the left, and we turned the right into a little shaker element with some buttons and little posies in there. And this is a box pocket card. These are really fun to give as gifts because this great big pocket in here, you can put individually sized packages of cookies. You can put tea in here, you can put chocolates in here, you can put photos in here, anything that will fit. It's got a 3/4 inch deep pocket. And I've put a little note card in here, but then it also has this really fun, hold on, kinetic waterfall feature, which is just a blast. I love these guys. They're just fun to play with. So that's a fun spot. And then if that's not enough, we also have a pull-out folio. So how sweet would this be to send loaded up with photos and memories? It's just a wonderful gift. So that's kind of what I was having in mind in this quarter's card kit. Lots of gift giving and special occasions. So this little ribbon ties, and this is one that you're actually going to really love making as well. It's not as hard as it looks. Okay, then we have a little 6x6 framed card, just using these pretty blues and greens, so soft. A little gift card pocket on the inside and room up here to write a note. Then these are fun. These were so fun, in fact, that I made 2 of them because they were just way too much fun. These are called fanfare cards. And I'll show you the inside first. They have a top opening, and inside we've got little pockets. This one has little tags. Room up here, you can add a photo, pictures, whatever. But the really fun part on this, is this ribbon unties, and look what this does. How fun is that? Isn't that neat? So here we've got a little pocket page. That's where this little journaling card goes. Over here we've got a little lift up page with room for secret journaling. And then over here a little message. And they're just so sweet and fun to give, and it will stand up for display, which is really cool. So this is the first one that we made, and these are 6x6. I'm also trying to keep things I got feedback from a lot of you that you wanted fewer flowers. You didn't want flowers because you said it was too hard to mail. So I'm trying to keep everything flatter. And if you don't like that, you need to let me know. All right, and then this one ties with baker's twine. Look, we've got a little charm right here. And look how fun this one is. I added little tabs to each of the pages. Here's a little tiny pocket right here with a little tag in it. It's so fun. I just love little features like this that turn a card into something really special. And then a little journaling card in here. This flips. Then we've got a little pretty layout and then our message here. And of course, it ties with the baker's twine. And I don't know, I just think these are really neat. I love giving these as gifts. And they're unexpected. People don't expect that the front of the card is going to have all this wonderful stuff. All right. Then this is another great gift card. This is a pocket and tag card. This is 6 by 6. So quick and easy to make. You're going to want to make a bunch of these once you learn how. And the tag can be used as a bookmark. And then you can store photos or whatever in the pocket if you choose to. Then I wanted to do something, I had Mom in mind, and I thought, how fun would it be to add a little wallet-sized photo. This is open, this frame is open. So you can slip a photo in there, I'll show you, just with my ruler. You can slip a little photo in there, and then Mom can keep this on her desk. Isn't that fun? And it stands up, so it's an easel card. The inside has a little pocket with a little note card. You could put more photos in here. So super, super fun. That is just a sweet one. And then I've got another little frame. I had a good time using the frames in this collection. And this is a 5.5 with a pocket. Look how neat the pocket is. It actually matches. I'm going to show you how to do that. And just a little decoration here. This is actually the note card piece from the journal and tags page that I just folded in half and tucked in the pocket. And then this one, I think might be my favorite. I love this card. This is a Z fold, which is one of my favorite card styles, fancy folds to make. You're going to learn how to make your own rosette decorations. This is such a happy, happy card. This would be so great for birthday. I just love it. And then for graduation, this is the one I had in mind. Believe in yourself. This is a 7 by 6 cutaway. We've got a little turn tab up here, a pocket with a gift card wallet. So neat. And then another pocket over here with a little tag. And you can write, you could add a note here. So that is the card kit. Simple Stories Indigo Garden from Button Farm Club. You can go and order. It's all set. If, like I said, if you're subscribed, your kit will come to you automatically. You don't even have to order. Subscribers get their kits first so that they're guaranteed to get a kit. If you want to subscribe, it's really easy to do. And I think you actually save a little money if you subscribe to the kit. So I will put the link to Button Farm Club in the description box below. And let's have a beautiful, beautiful time making cards. Thanks, guys. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on.